National Institute of Technology Meghalaya kalayo man pun ko borom hakasian ka maar ya ka balatip kum ka second convocation ya ki samna pule ki bala pendap ya jing pule jungki hakikandan paper hakajing elang ka balalong bijini complex lai umkra mana kandai tarik risau kajing pun ko borom ka NIT Meghalaya ya ki prapongot ki samna pule ki bala pendap ya ka Bachelor of Technology BTech hakilai tali ki branches kum Computer Science and Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Batka Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Hakabaki la pendam ikjing pule nadu munai jeleu mentaus nam. Hagani kasngi lai dan rengkat ucerman barim ka Indian Space Research Organization ISRO Padma Bhushan Dr. Krishna Swamy Kasturi Rangan ubalong kumukongsan ucerman Board of Governors Professor DK Basu Batkiwei Katkum ka jiga tho kene ki samla ki baladam ya ka jing pule jungki ki lalej bandrung kam haki company baper padan hakaleng kari India lengba ka jingeram kane ka institute.
The institute could place 70% of the second batch who are being awarded degree today could be placed through campus interview, campus placement activity. So far, 65% of the students of the third batch who are to receive degree next year have received job offers. It has now been the endeavor of the institute to encourage entrepreneurship. It is proposed to take up incubation facility activity in the institute very soon to help fulfill the urgent need of enterprises, more number of enterprises in this region. Friends, it is not all work and no play. The students have been actively pursuing extracurricular activities. The institute's annual sports facility, sports festival and a cultural festival were organized with funfair. This students also organized the third annual technical festival of the institute last week with elaborate arrangements and wide participation.